Okay, I thought we'd have a little bit of fun on this particular video. And as promised in an earlier video, what I've actually done is I've put together an array of a lot of the most popular currency futures here. And we've actually got 9 of them here. We've got, this is the dollar yen, yen dollar. Of course, in futures world, the dollar is always quoted as the counter currency. And then across the top here, we've got the Aussie dollar. We've got the Euro dollar here. We've got the Mexican peso. We've got the British pound. Over on the right, we've got the Swiss franc. Down at the bottom here, we've got New Zealand dollar. We've got Canadian dollar. And over on the right-hand side, we've got a Euro yen. So really a complete array, and they are all quoted to the same time frame. So these are all on 5 minutes. So in other words, we are looking at like for like. And the reason I've put this together is again to highlight the issue of the variation in the tick charts that you will need to set depending on which particular currency future you're trading or which particular instrument you're trading. You can see here on this one, on the yen, we're quoting 233. Same for the Aussie dollar. We moved to Euro dollar and we're up at 610 on this time frame. Look at the difference on the Swiss franc. We're down to 55, very low. And the same also applies to New Zealand dollar right now. Moving across here, what have we got here? 144 Canadian. British pound, we're on 233, so same as the Aussie and same as dollar yen at the moment. Mexican peso, as you might expect, very low, only 34. So a low tick count for that particular currency. In Euro yen, what are we down at Euro yen? We're down at 21, so pretty low for that one as well. So again, this array just gives you a complete contrast looking at the same time scale for a group of related markets. These are all currency futures, so obviously all in the Forex world. And it just gives you a perception, an idea of how different they all are. The indicators work in exactly the same way. The Tickspeedometer works in exactly the same way as you would expect across all of them, but it delivers the correct tick chart setting in the current time frame, in the current session for that particular currency future. And of course, what better indicator to have running with the currency futures than the currency strength indicator over on the left-hand side. I've actually got this running a slightly faster time frame at 3 minutes. But of course, it will work equally well in spot or futures markets, makes no difference. And it delivers the visual representation of strength and weakness in the individual currencies themselves, the building blocks of this particular market, whether you're trading a futures contract or whether you're trading in spot FX. You can see here we've got strength in we've got Canadian dollar rising here. We've got the US dollar, this red line that's rising pretty strongly. We've got some pretty decent selling in the Aussie dollar. We've got decent selling in the New Zealand dollar, the white line. And the yen is flip-flopping around here in oversold, and the pound is doing the opposite. It's moved up into overbought region, so potentially looking for a reversal point. So what better blend is there than use the currency strength indicator trading currency futures? Great combination. And of course, if you ally that with tick charts, with the tick speedometer, you've got the beauty of everything. You've got the currency strength indicator. Indeed, you've got the other indicators as well. You could use the currency strength indicator. You've got the volume price analysis through the prism of the tick speedometer chart itself, and then you're trading off the tick charts which reveal momentum. And that momentum is disassembling the single time candle. So if you're on a 5-minute time candle, what you see on a 5-minute candle is price action moving up and down on the time chart, but what you see revealed on the tick chart is momentum. In other words, inside the spread of that particular candle. So I hope you've enjoyed this particular video. Lots more to come. I'll be doing some more commodities on Tickspeedometer, just probably the same comparison, give you some idea there as well, and also into stocks, of course, which are equally important and work in precisely the same way. So thanks for watching, see you again soon, and bye for now.